3 hits in my opinion. I love these cards. Back with another video, and today I got my hands on this Pokemon Destined Rivals Elite Trainer box. Let's open it together. So let me rip off the seal. So let's see what we get inside. So inside we get 9 packs, a bunch of goodies, and let's open it up. So right away, that's the cover. So it comes with this player's guide. So this is my first Elite Trainer box I've ever opened, and it's all new to me, but I got this cool player book or player guide. So it comes with all the Pokemon that are in the set. So inside the actual box, got some dice, coins I'm guessing, energy cards. These are the sleeves, some of these cool designs. Promo card, Wall Effect, Team Rocket's Wall Effect, and what we're all waiting for. The 9 packs. So let's open this one. And the rare is Amazon. So let's go with the second pack. Let's go with this one. So Cynthia's Gibble. See if you get anything. Scarlet, and the rare is nothing. Let's go on to the second pack. Let's go with this one. Meditate, Wash Rotom, Mance's Hype, Team Rocket's Porygon 2, Ogerpon, Shaman, Ethan's Adventure. Alright, did we get anything? Ethan's Adventure. And ooh, what's that? Rabska EX. So one cool thing I wanted to show you guys, I was looking at the inside, and there's actually this cool cover art on the inside of this, on the inside cover of the Elite Trainer box. Pretty cool. If you guys have it, open it up, and you guys got this cool poster. We are down to 6 more packs. Let's open the middle one. Electrike, Halo, Slugma, Morotom, Team Rocket's Fluffy, and Ethan's Macagro. Let's go on to the second pack. Pichu, Yanma, Lapras, Primeape, Lowdown, Orgrim, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Combuskin, that's pretty cool. Ooh, Team Rocket's Ariana, and Annihilap. The 2 more packs of the Destined Rivals boosters from the Elite Trainer box. So let's start with this one. I decided to sit down for these next few openings just to see if the luck changes, and it's an easier setup for me. Rotom, Nidoran, Airbink, Skull, Wolbat, Granite Cave, Ampharos, Ogerpon, ooh, Articuno Reverse. You get anything? Oh, that's nice. Wheezing illustration. Ooh, Team Rocket Zapdos. If you guys saw my first video, I actually showed the promo of this from GameStop. And basic energy. Let's leave it right away. Let's leave this to it until the end. Okay, Cynthia, give me luck. Puppetar, Staria. I love the Misty cards. Nidorino, Kangaskhan, Bombasnow, Weezing, Team Rocket's Petrol, Toadschool, and Misty Starmie, Team Rocket's Spindops. Let me know what you guys think. But I got Goku here, Vegeta here, wishing me luck. So let's start off with the Ethan pack. Cynthia's Gibble, Skarmory, Smoliv, Torchic, Lurantis. I see something in the back. Let's hope it's something nice. Team Rocket's Transceiver, Team Rocket's Weezing, Analyte, Kangaskhan, and oh, that's a nice pull. Team Rocket's version EX. Really happy about that. Down to the last pack. Let's hope for some last pack luck. Last pack, Mankey, Team Rocket's Mareep, Team Rocket's Tarantula, Team Rocket's Rattata, Team Rocket's Nidoqueen, Arvin Sandwich, Misty Starmie, Tarantula, let's see, and the last pack, oh that's nice. From the Giovanni pack, we got Team Rocket's Giovanni. It delivered. Alright, let's leave it up. What our last pack comes. A summary of everything I pulled from the Pokemon Destined Rivals Elite Trainer box. So quick recap, the box came with 9 packs. So from 9 packs, here's what we got. Peach Rotom, Electrike, Zamazenta, Presto, Ethan's Adventure, Rapska EX, Cynthia's Gibble, Goravet, Gorbis, Morotom, Laffy, and Mac Cargo. So not great in the first 4. Combuskin, Team Rocket's Ariana, and Ahilap. This is where the heat starts. Team Rocket's Articuno, look at that. Team Rocket's using illustration rare. That's so nice. And Team Rocket's Zapdos. So this was a great pack. Look at that. 3 hits in my opinion. I love these cards. Toad School, Misty Starmie, Spindops. So not a great pack. And a Halat, Reverse, Kangaskhan. Look at that. Team Rocket's Persian EX. I love these cards. Team Rocket's Tarantula, Kettle, and bang. Team Rocket's Giovanni. I love the card art in this, and Giovanni is one of my favorite characters in Pokemon. Look at that aura. What do you guys think? Was this box worth it?